Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about yellow box junctions. Now, are you allowed in a yellow box junction? And the answer is, it depends on the circumstance. So if you cannot exit the box safely, then the answer is no. But if you are turning right, for example, and the exit road on the right hand side is empty and clear, and you are only waiting in that box because the oncoming traffic is blocking the route, then yes, you can wait in the yellow box. And we wait in the yellow box until the road becomes clear from in front of us, the oncoming traffic, or if it stops and a filter light comes on, and we can then exit the yellow box junction. So the answer is yes, you can wait inside a yellow box as long as your exit road is clear. Now, if you found this information useful, please pop us a comment or a like, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos the same. If you're struggling with your theory test, however, then join our online theory course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.